Hello, welcome. This is Blockchain News, the Blockchain Educator. I'm Atul Pink, and in today's video, I'm going to talk about that. As I said yesterday, probably there's a chance that Biden going to sign the executive order this week. And Janet Yellen's statement came out a bit earlier instead of today, yesterday. And in that statement, it was leaking a couple of things. But those things actually overall are positive for the crypto market, and therefore we can see now a price increase. The second topic I would like to discuss that the OpenSea owners are the new NFT billionaires, and actually there's a trend that now more and more people for the billionaire club coming from the crypto world, just like it happened many years ago. With people invested in internet and started internet companies. Now it looks like crypto could be the new golden egg. And the third thing I would like to talk about is that Ledger, the hardware wallet company, is coming out with a limited edition of hardware wallet, and there will be 10,000 of it. And you might get with these, you can get a bonus NFT. Guys, all this in today's video. And if you would like to get the daily fresh cryptocurrency and blockchain news, just simply subscribe to this YouTube channel, Blockchain Bloom, and you will get them, of course. And check out the links under this video. There are many useful ones. You can save money with those links because you get discounts on, for instance, on centralized exchanges from transaction fees. Also, check out the free course, How to Start Investing in Bitcoin and Other Cryptocurrencies. Lots of useful information in it. Links under the video. Okay, and now let's have a look at the market, because we can see that Bitcoin in the last 24 hours went up 8.1%. Ethereum 6.3%. Therefore, Bitcoin is now over 42,000. And Ethereum is under 3,000, but 2,751. So actually it went up. When we're looking at the other gainers, we see Monero 19% up. Also Terra Luna, very similar. And a couple of 18% here, R-Wave and some others. So, we're having today a kind of good day. When we're looking at the losers, well, really no losers. We have Fracshare 2% down, CeeLo 1.8%, and that was it basically. When we're looking at the candlestick chart, we can see that rising wedge kind of thing, which is now, so far, we are between these two trend lines. And now, we exactly, turned back. We were, the support held around this 38,000 area, which is an important one. And now we just crossed the 42,000 level. Will it go continue just like before, up to 44 and above, or it will be rejected here? We will see. This is mainly because of the statement what was announced by Janet Yellen. And when we're looking at here, well, look, Europe is actually up. DAX is up, FTSE and some others. When we're looking at the Asian market, that one is a bit down. US not open yet, but it was, down. Oil prices went up. Well, oil went up like $122, but right now it's like a slight decrease. Also similar in gold price, which were above, 2022 right now. But, crypto in general, Bitcoin, Ethereum, and all the other cryptos are up very nicely. So this is what we have right now in the present. And now let's move on to the first topic. And this is all about the statement which was leaked. So interestingly, Janet Yellen's statement, which is supposed to come out today on Wednesday, was leaked yesterday evening. It's taken off already, but by the time it's just too late. And this is the one which caused some positive mood on the crypto market, because as you can see here, so the US Treasury, Janet Yellen, said that a presidential executive order on cryptocurrencies would support responsible innovation as its coordinates US policy across agencies. So basically, what they're saying, they don't want to stop the innovation. And in this means no strict ban and something like that. It's really that we don't know exactly what is in it, okay? So this is very, very important to clarify. But these tiny teasers, put it this way, so far looking good. Also, the executive order will address risk related to illicit finance, protecting customers and innovators, and preventing threats to the financial system on border economy. So, in a nutshell, what she's saying, they would like to support the innovation, but be careful and regulate it in a way that it won't cause people harm. Okay, I know they're doing the things which are important for them, but anyway, this is the communication. And when we're looking at that they support the innovation, it means that they should give some room for crypto and Bitcoin, definitely, which overall it's a positive thing, and therefore we can see this price increase in the last 24 hours because of this leak. Okay, the second thing I would like to talk about is the new trend, to put it this way, because, you know, we had this internet billionaires, you know, those who invested you know, after the dot-com boom, or even survived that and then just continued to grow, or since that in the internet. And crypto is the new area where all these billionaires are coming out of nowhere. So really, this is this new trend. And actually, when we're looking at OpenSea founders, then we have, they minted basically the first NFT billionaires. And, you know, the NFT craze has minted its first billionaires. So the founders of Buzzy blockchain startup OpenSea have joined the 3 Club following the fresh funding round announced, well, basically this was in January. The value of the company, so OpenSea, is 13.3 billion, up from 1.5 billion just in 6 months. With estimated 18.5% stake in OpenSea, co-founders Devin Finzer and Alex Atalach are each worth about 2.2 billion. This is what Forbes magazine is actually saying here. Two guys, you know, the company was founded 4 years ago. The New York City-based startup was an early player in the NFT market that took off in early 2021. So the big hype really started kind of like a year ago. So OpenSea builds itself as a, you know, peer-to-peer platform on which users can create, buy, and sell all sorts of NFTs in exchange for 2.5% cut of each sale. So this is what goes to the guys, and this is the money what made them actually billionaires. But don't forget, even that now there are many billionaires, and let's check another list here. They also have lost some of their portfolio. They still billionaires, but they have much less than they used to have. For instance, in you know, last year in November, when the market was at its peak. So we have, you know, Sam Bankman-Fried, who is the, you know, the co-founder of FTX, staying behind Solana and some great projects. Probably he is the wealthiest guy in crypto. Used to have almost 27 billion, but now just 70 billion. We have Brian Armstrong, you know, the co-founder and the CEO of Coinbase. His net worth is right now 7.9, but used to be 13.5. But there are other, you know, we had the Winklevoss twins, Cameron and Tyler, each used to have 5 billion, now 3.8 billion. That's their net worth. Michael Saylor, we all know him, 1.4 billion is net worth, used to be 3.1. So basically what we can see, that probably the next couple of years, there will be several, I mean, you know, let's talk about CZ, who is also extreme rich. I don't know why he is not on this list here now, but never mind. So the point is here that this new hype brings a lot of new billionaires to the table to join this club. and newly they coming from crypto, and the list will just grow and grow because crypto will have amazing development over the next couple of years, because it's not because it's just a spike of Bitcoin and all these things, because cryptocurrencies, NFTs, basically you name it. And after the regulations and everything is clarified and it's all set in big areas like the United States or Europe, then even people who are now really undecided and a bit afraid of risk because it's not that well regulated, after the regulations are clear and they get green light, probably more people will invest because their fiat is just going down, and this will actually make even more people millionaires and billionaires. Okay, and the next one I would like to talk about, that Ledger, after several years coming out with a new product, it will be limited supply and it will go with a bonus NFT. So yes, the company Ledger, which is definitely one of the biggest hardware wallet companies out there, it's finally coming out with a new product, and this new product it has a Genesis edition with a limited supply of 10,000 devices available just for pre-order, and basically. This is how it looks like. Don't get confused because I'm doing this here in Hungary, so it's in Hungarian currency. Doesn't matter. But here they're saying that our brand new product celebrated special edition. Order new NFT. Nano S Plus. So this is what they're saying. This is S Plus, and receive it with a unique engraving and get an exclusive NFT. So this is what you can get when you're doing this. Now you can do the pre-order and it will be shipped on the 21st of March. Basically, don't forget, I'm not sponsored by Ledger, but I do have a Ledger affiliate link under this video. So if you guys would like to make sure you get from the right place, use that one so you not get a fake one. So by the way, actually Ledger Nano Plus is the first hardware wallet Ledger has released since the debut of the Ledger Nano X in 2019. So that was the latest product they came out with. The firm says that it has sold 4.5 million Ledger Nano hardware wallets, and nearly 20% of the world's digital assets secured by Ledger device. It's a huge number, 20%. So the Nano Plus, S Plus, supports every type of digital assets from over 5,500 coins and tokens to NFTs. So now this is new support. NFTs also supported. By the way, you can see now anyway your NFTs on Ledger Live now. Okay, so this is a new thing, and if you looking for hardware wallet, the reason why I brought this topic up, not because of any promotion for Ledger, because I don't care about that too much. I just wanted to highlight the fact that hardware wallet is right now the safest way to store your crypto. If you keep it on a centralized exchange, you do know what's going to happen to centralized things. You just look at the banks and all these other things. Also, you keep it on an online wallet. Attack of hackers can you liquidate you and then take away your crypto. So the safest way to keep it's a hardware wallet, and Ledger, as you can see, holds 20% of digital assets of the world. So it's definitely one of the big guys. And now here's the new cool product. Okay, guys. Well, that's it for today. Don't forget, I'm bringing these fresh cryptocurrency and blockchain news every single weekday. So simply subscribe to this YouTube channel, subscribe, bell button, all, and definitely like this video if you like this kind of content while I'm doing here. I'm back tomorrow with the freshest. Have a good one. Bye-bye.